Yo, what is going on? I'm so excited today. Just got off the live with Adriana Vegas, who is the owner and the one creator of Infinity Processing System, where you post pre-written ads on social media to attract clients to you and your offer and what you promoting. Excuse me. Now, this is an attraction marketing course, and she's done some updates to the course that's going to be happening over the next few months. There's going to be new training added. There's going to be some training taken out to keep the system update with what's working in the market today as far as social media. So you get the up to date social media training and to know what and how to do when it comes to marketing. You're either this as an opportunity or marketing your business that you already have and learning how to attract the perfect customer to your attention. Now, we'll go over real quick. She's going to be doing some updates with some new stuff. She's going to be clashing this with a marketing system called My Six Figure Blueprint, where this marketing system has a lot of done for you campaigns. You can build a brand. It has email follow ups, email autoresponder, connect with third party email autoresponders. Yeah, I'll go over into that in just a moment, but she's showing just here a capture of one of the capture pages that's going to be linked inside of the marketing system. So if you're already part of the My Six Figure Marketing System and you're part of the Infinity Processing System, you'll be able to use the marketing system to promote this business and opportunity on autopilot with done for you video sales pages, done for you capture pages, where it's going to do the 30-day email follow up. I think that's totally awesome how her and TJ Holloway have came together, which TJ is the creator of My Six Figure Marketing System, how they came together and clashed this to make it even more so that you can be able to brand yourself. I'm going to go over into the dashboard with My Six Figure Blueprint. I'm going to take you into the marketing system and show you how to get over to your 30-day email follow-up when it comes to Infinity Processing System. Now, this is just a quick little sneak peek because I already have the system. Let me close out some stuff here. These are some campaigns that I'm running on my own. But right here where the green hand is on the marker, it's where that done for you email sequence is all put together for you. It's a 30-day email follow-up. If you come in with the marketing system, this is totally cool. It's totally already branded to you. I already have my name and ready for the emails to go out. So it's branding you. And where is it? I was clicking through here. They even have payment proof pictures in these email follow-ups so your leads can see that people are actually making sales with the opportunity, which I think is very awesome when it comes to that. So if you want to check out either system, I have the links in the description below in the video. If you're already a member with Infinity Processing System and you're struggling to come up with capture pages, the My Six Figure Blueprint marketing system will be ideal for you. The link for this is also down in the bottom in the description, and I want to show you guys some of the capture pages. So if we come here to multi-stream system, down in here, man, they have multi-stream system for IPS capture page, sales page 1, sales page 2. So Infinity Processing System is totally integrated into this marketing system. So if you're already with Infinity Processing System and you're looking for a marketing system that works and is already done for you, I highly recommend you check this out. Again, that link is in the bottom of the description. This comes with done for you sales capture pages, 300 a day capture pages, all coded and ready to go for you. So if you're not tech savvy, you can totally use this and use the marketing system to build up your leads. Man, this is totally awesome. I think they're doing a great job over there with Infinity Processing System and bringing new content strategies and bringing just new life with this system. I'm very pleased with it. They already did an update with this system earlier this year and coming with another system with another update. This is I highly recommend it for anybody who's new to online marketing, who want to get into online marketing. Click the link below. I'll see you guys on the other side. I'm gonna get it out of here and let you go spend some time with your family.